How to change keyboard size on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change your keyboard size to bigger or smaller. So without any further delay, let us get started. Let's go ahead and open up your keyboard. In here, if you open up your keyboard, you will see a three-dot icon just beside settings option. Tap onto it. Scroll to your left, then you will see keyboard size. Tap onto it again. And by doing so, you can either increase or decrease the size of your keyboard. Once done, tap onto done. And this is what it will look like once you have resized your keyboard. Now, there is also another feature in case you would like to add a floating keyboard. Tap onto floating keyboard. Reset the transparency. Tap onto done. Then that way you can also disable your keyboard while you are typing. All you have to do is press the button down, and this is how you will be able to do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.